welcome back to Treasures of Love. Today I'm going to be doing a pour for an order for 3 hen planters. I have a crystal white, a cobalt blue, and a coffee color. So today, since I only have 1 mold, today I'm going to do the first pour, which will be the crystal white. So hang on tight while I go and mix the resin, and I'll be right back. Alright, I have the resin mixed. I did 5 ounces. It takes 4.3. So, we'll have some extras. So, I just dissipated the crystal white along with some diamond mica powder. Give it a little extra shine, even though it's a mold mat. A matte mold. So I'm just mixing it in there, not doing too well. Doing this over camera. Kind of dry because I forgot I didn't have it on AI, and it went way longer than the 4 minutes on the automatic mixer.
Pouring resin for nowhere. 3 hen planters tell the tale. One is white with blue rhinestone, shining bright and all alone. Next is blue with cobalt hue, diamond stones come into view. Last one wears a coffee shade, champagne rhinestones gently lay. Colors mix and dreams take flight in the resin, soft and bright, crafting beauty through the night, holding moments ever tight. Pouring resin, pouring dreams, catching all the golden beams. Every piece of story gleams, flowing down the silent streams. Feathers form and shapes arise underneath the open skies. Glitter falls and settles in, stealing joy beneath the skin. Colors mix and dreams take flight in the resin, soft and bright, crafting beauty through the night, holding moments ever tight.
Alright, get ready for the pour. Just gonna spray it with the 99% alcohol. Oops, sorry about that, hitting the camera. Just mixing it in there, make sure it gets into that beak. And I'm just gonna dump out any of the extra. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to dump it in. I'm just going to squeeze the beak area so there's no bubbles. And then I'm gonna coat it because sometimes bubbles gets on the feathers. Coat it without dumping it. Okay. Can add just a touch. There we go. It's domed. all the way to the top. Right, and that left me with just under 1 ounce. So I'm gonna move this out of the way. And I wanted to try something. I wanted to, the little bit I have left, just an experiment. I wanted to try, I've been seeing people do beautiful, beautiful work with adding silver flakes and different colors of resin. So I only have the white. I'm gonna drop in, drip in a black, and then I'm gonna swirl it, and I'm gonna pour it, and I'm gonna see what happens. Put the flake in there. Stuck all over my gloves. Yeah, it's getting everywhere. Sorry, I'm off camera, but I keep hitting this camera and knocking it over. Alright, so I got flakes in there. Let me mix that. Hope it's not too much. Get out my black. I guess it would be a paste, not a alcohol ring. I got silver everywhere. Spray that. And then they said, pour from the opposite direction. I guess it was flakes. I've never gotten it where the flakes don't clump up. Have not gotten that part down yet.
Champagne rhinestones gently laid, colors mix and dreams take flight. In the resin soft and bright, crafting beauty through the night. Hold a moment, sailor tight. Pouring resin, pouring dreams, catching all the golden beams. Every piece of story gleams, flowing down the side-on streams.
I'm gonna let this sit and set up for a little bit before I put both of them on the heat mat. So probably in about 45 minutes I'll come back and check it, but I will sit here and watch it and make sure there's no bubbles that pop up or it keeps overflowing. So I'll see you on demold. All right, it's time to demold. Let's start with the extra. It's still a tad warm, definitely soft still. Oh, that came out pretty. Very pretty. And it's a matte mold, and it still shines. Very pretty. And you see the, they've raised back up. But a magnet will go over this part anyways and cover it up. So, all right. Now the star of the show, the chicken. Now it's perfect. Little micro bubbles under there. But no bubbles in the feathers. No bubble in the beak. The crown, oops, see, still so soft. I have to let it rest. Oh, it came out great. Okay. So I'll be back. I'm gonna jazz these up. And see you in a minute.
The morning light finds a window pane, while the workbench holds a steady hand, mixing the liquid that captures the sun within the mold where the magic is planned. A pour of clarity, a touch of grace, slowly hardening in a quiet space. Beads are scattered like tiny glass stars, smallest circles in a velvet row, threaded together with patient design, watching the pattern begin to grow. Each night is a promise of something fine, where geometry and spirit intertwine. Treasures of love, where the small things shine, transmitting a glow that feels divine. The resin reflects a prismatic dream, while the beaded strands catch a silver beam. Turning a Monday to a golden hour, with the subtle weight of a silent power. Her polished surfaces and braided lines, evidence of a vision so rare. More than a trinket or a fleeting gem, it is the soul that is resting there. A tangible pulse of the maker's heart, constructed with truth in every part. A walk to the market or a cup of tea, transformed by the way the bangles play. A simple garment finds a new voice in the sparkling pulse of the middle day. Accessories acting as a bright decree, that beauty is whatever we choose to see. The shop is a harbor for the curious eye, where the resin holds a trap white flame, and the woven beads sing a tactile song, part of joy that does not need an end. The craftsmanship speaks in a steady tone of a specialized world that you can own. Treasures of love, where the small things shine, transmitting a glow that feels divine. The resin reflects a prismatic dream, while the beaded strands catch a silver beam.